Meaning of Hush Puppies.
Hush Puppies.
Hush Puppies.
Hush Puppies.
Hush Puppies. Hush Puppies is a brand of casual footwear that originated in the United States in 1958. The name Hush Puppies is believed to have come from hunters who would fry up cornmeal batter into small cakes and feed them to their dogs to keep them quiet, i.e. hush the puppies, while they were hunting. The shoes quickly gained popularity due to their comfort and durability and became a cultural icon of the 1960s counterculture movement. Today, Hush Puppies offers a variety of styles for both men and women and can be found in many countries around the world.